This is my Instagram page, where I sell movies and make anywhere between $1,000 to $5,000 a month. My page is neither monetized, nor does it rely on paid promotions. This is my own business. I've built a strong customer base, and even if my page gets disabled tomorrow, my business will keep running. The best part is, I don't have any competition yet, because very few people know about this business idea. You don't need a lot of views, neither do you have to worry about copyright issues. So, how can you do this? There are a few steps you need to follow. What type of page to create? How to sell movies? Where to download movies? How to find customers? What prices to set for movies? What types of movies or series to sell? In this video, we will cover all these steps. So, let's start. 1. Create your page. Step 1. Set up your page first. Sign up with a new Gmail account. Then, choose a name related to movies and upload a good logo that represents your brand. Step 2. What to write in the bio. I'll explain this later in the video. Step 3. Start uploading reels. Post reels related to movies on your Instagram page. Whenever a new movie or series is released, create a short reel about it and upload it. You can download clips from YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram, edit them, and upload them as your own content. 2. How to find customers. To find customers, include text like this in your reels. Share your WhatsApp number. Add a message like, full series or movie available in HD. Contact on WhatsApp. When your reel goes viral, customers will start reaching out to you. And as you know, movie clips go viral on almost every platform. Step 1. Setups for customers. Add your WhatsApp group link in your page's bio. People can join the group or message you directly through your reel. You can serve customers in 2 ways. Create a second group for paying members. Charge them a monthly fee and add them to the group. Sell specific movies or series on demand. 3. How to download movies and series. Social media platforms have almost every movie or series available for free. For example, if a customer pays you $40 for a movie, use $10 to buy a Netflix or Prime Video subscription. Download the movie and upload it to a drive file. Share the drive file with your customer. This way, your profit margin stays high and you save on costs. 4. Pricing. When setting prices, cover all your expenses and add some profit on top. 5. Types of movies or series to sell. My recommendation is to sell all kinds of movies and series. The more variety, the better your chances of reaching more customers. Now, it's time to get started. In the next video, we'll go even deeper into this business model. See you soon.